afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay Vlog. So guys, mag-lunch pa lang ako today and my food is fried eggplant and magic sauce, tomato sauce with green chili and soya sauce. So, para sa akin guys, bilang isang OFW, bihira lang makakain ng masarap alam niyo yan. Kasi kaya na kayo kasi yung table kasi sobrang liit lang siya. And dito lang talaga ako moto. Nandito ako sa loob ng room ko, kaya kung nakikita niyo yung background ko. So, ayan, ang ganda. So, ayan lang guys. So, solve na ako dito. Bilang isang OFW guys, kasi nagtitipid din ako. Bihira ako kumain ng masarap pagka Sunday lang. At saka, ang pinipili kong pagkain, yung may sabaw, like sinigang. Meron akong isang Filipino store or kainan. Filipino kainan siya sa Lucky Plaza. So, yung one seat ng order ng pagkain mo guys, unlimited na yun. For only $6 lang siya. So, may drinks na. O, diba? So, tara guys, this is my lunch for today. So, solve na ako dito mga basic. So, ganyan tayo katipid. Diba? Pag gusto natin makaipon, talaga magtitipid tayo, diba? Para sa future natin. Kamatis. Pasensya lang kayo guys, tumitingala na naman ako kasi nakabitin lang yung cellphone ko dun sa kabayo dun sa iron board. So, I hang my phone in the iron board. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na and pasensyahan nyo na yung background ko because I'm here inside my small room. Splash water. Bali, nirefill ko na lang siya. Yung lalagyan lang yung akin. So guys, tapos na kumain yung mga amo ko at ako po yung last talaga kumain. Yung mga hugasin ko, pinasok ko na sa machine kasi kakain ako. Sobrang late na. Ang dami kong planchahin dyan. Kaya, ipinasok ko na lang sa machine yung aking hugasin. Tapos nilinis ko na yung kitchen para ito na lang yung liligpitin ko mga kinainan ko. And then maliligo na ako after ko mag-lunch. And then I go ironing clothes because I have a lot of ironing clothes here from yesterday because I have a lot of work yesterday so I didn't finish yet. So I will do it later after finish my lunch.
Guys, please understand my English because I am not English.
But I'm trying to speak in English. Because, I just want to improve my English also because in my YouTube or in our YouTube, it's not only Filipino who watch our video. Right, guys? Please correct me. It's my teacher. I want to learn, of course. I want to learn how to speak English in front of my camera because that is not only Filipino can watch my video. There is a lot of people who
can see or watch my video.
So, please correct me if I'm wrong. There's in my comment box, guys. And teach me also. Thank you. Even my foods is very simple one. It's very simple fried eggplant. Small guys because this is the leftover. My madam cooked what is that? Sambar. So this is the leftover and then she will give it to me and I cook for myself.
No need to keep in the fridge because this eggplant is torn black so you need to cook it. You need to cook it. You need to cook in the fridge.
There is no any flavor in my fried eggplant, just only oil. And then, I made the dip sauce.
Tomato sauce, then
I add green chili and soya sauce. So, solve my lunch, guys. For me, this food is so yummy. Right? That's it, guys. Join with me. No rice. So I cook rice just a little bit only, enough for myself. So later at night, I just only drink coffee. So I eat a lot in the afternoon, guys. Tutong. Alam nyo guys, nung maliit pa ako, gusto ko yung tutong sa kaldero. I don't know what in English, the born part in the rice. And then I add a little bit of butter and sugar, guys. Ang sarap. I'm sorry guys, because my surroundings is not really good, because I'm here inside my I'm here inside my small room, so all the ironing clothes is here only, so all the stuff is here, like my things, my luggage, as you can see, my ironing clothes, my comb, and my pillow there, and this is my small table and cabinet na rin. And this is my cabinet, which I will talk it outside. It is correct, I will talk outside. This is this cabinet, guys, is already throw away, but still can use. Some people throw outside there, but still can use. I don't have cabinet here inside my room, so I don't have place to put my clothes, my items. So I just take this one and bring inside my room. It's too heavy, guys, but I managed to carry this cabinet to bring it inside. So I put my clothes there. So I have a little bit space now. Sorry guys, my English is broken. Correct na lang yung grammar. Because if we don't speak English, our second language, they don't understand what I am talking about. Even my dip sauce, I finished already because I don't want to throw away. I don't want to waste the piece. So I need to finish it, everything except the green chili. My my best there outside.